to This Week at JR Southwest Boutique. Today we're working on a moccasin keychain. So here we have the sole of the moccasin, and I'm working on the uppers right now. Let me preface this by saying this is not the typical way that I would bead with the 2-needle applique technique. I'm modifying it a little bit since this is such a small item and we have this row of beads that's really close to the edge, so I've modified my technique a little bit. So we have 2 threads going right now. We have this double thread here that's holding the beads, and I've just inserted it into the other end so that the beads stay on, and I wanted to make sure I had my pattern laid out correctly. And then I have this other needle that has a single thread, and that is the tack down thread that I'm using. So instead of doing the typical 2-needle applique technique, I am only making one hole and going in and out of the same hole to tack the thread down. And so this is what the back looks like where I started. So to do this technique, I have my beads all set. What I'm doing is tacking down 3 beads at a time. I find that a good number. It's not too many so that they flop about and not too little that you're tacking down every bead and making a lot of holes in the buckskin. So what I do is I take 3 beads and I put them snug up against the previous beads. And then I'm taking just this normal owl here. I'm putting it in between the 2 threads. I'm using the owl just to make sure that those beads are snug up. So I'm putting a little tension here. And I'm making the hole so there's a little buckskin border on the outside. When I know I have the hole right where I want it, press down firmly. And there we go. We've made the hole. To tack it down, I come in from the back side. Go through the hole I just punched. And you want to make sure it's coming out straight through the hole. I was going a little bit to the side there. So now that I have it coming straight up the hole, I pull it all the way through. Not too tight. I want to make sure the stitches on the back are flush with the buckskin, but not too tight. And I come back around to this side, make sure I cross over the double thread, and then stick it back down into that same hole that we just came out of. So you want to make sure you are coming straight back through that hole, that it's coming out in the same place. Now we pull the needle through. Make sure your string isn't tangled. Straighten that out a little bit. And so we've brought the thread straight down. You can see that little loop still. We're going to tighten that. And there we go. And we want to make sure it's not too tight, because if you pull that too tight, it brings that double thread back to the back side. So you need to make sure you loosen that a bit. You still want to see that single thread over the top of the double thread, just so it's tacking it down lightly. Then you continue on as so. You take the next 3 beads here, Make sure they're snug up against and sitting properly against the row of beads. And again, you'll take your owl and you'll make another hole. And I do that all the way around until I get to the end. And you bead the rest of the moccasin upper using this same technique. Thanks for watching.